This is the graphic organizer that we made as an illustration of our integrated unit plan. Our topic is recycling and being green. In geography, we decided that you could do interactive maps of countries and show which countries are green, which also links to math. You could also do what would a completely green world look like, which relates back to English and health and science. You can talk about future progress, how the U.S. compares to other countries, which also ties in with geography and history. You can talk about the influence of how green practices has spread in countries, more geography, more math, you can graph the outcomes. And you can also do a research, discussion, or debate on why countries are green or not, which goes back to English. All throughout our English classes, we have lots of video clips. Like you can watch WALL-E or Dr. Seuss's The Lorax. You can use magazine clips to make your own comic strip about recycling and the effects on human health, which goes to health and science. You can make copies of the city's recycling proposal and use that as samples for implementing your own school's recycling program, which goes back to geography and history for your own city. And then you can collect pamphlets from outside resources, noting key vocabulary terms and agendas, or terms from Global Recycling Network. For history, we're going to you can do interviews with older persons that you may know, or do internet research on recycling in the past. There are more SpongeBob clips, a Moai clip. You do a field trip to the city museum as a practical way of showing how everything in the place is recycled. For science, we talk about how the body recycles. Watch a YouTube video, the Recycle Song from Rocco's Modern Life, or clips from the show Dirty Jobs. Then you can also talk about, linking back to English, infection, such as bacteria, gangrene, lead poisoning, and different medicines. You can also play the game Recycle City, which ties back to the clips we watched in English of WALL-E. And then you can talk about how pollution damages the human body during the breakdown, which relates back to math, or art. And then finally for math, you could find the volume of a recycling container, graph the amount of recycled containers in the city, calculate the money made by recycling soda cans, and find the area of a landfill using the Pythagorean theorem.